Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Shut down the PC, unplug the power supply, and short the case power briefly to remove stray charge. Next, open the case and identify the check signal cable, commonly a 2 or 3 pin front panel lead labeled HDD, PWR, or STAT. Carefully follow the wire to both ends. Look for broken insulation, exposed copper, bent pins, or greenish corrosion. Once found, make sure the board and connector are visible. This lets you decide whether repair or replacement is required. Now you choose repair versus replace. If the header pins are simply bent, gently straighten them with fine pliers. Do not snap the pin. If the wire or crimp is damaged, cut back about 5 to 7 mm of insulation, strip cleanly, and either crimp on a new female front panel connector or solder to a matching replacement plug. Once the new terminal is on, insulate with a short heat shrink sleeve or tape, and add strain relief with a small zip tie so future movement won't damage the joint. Finish by reconnecting the repaired cable to the correct header orientation. Match the silkscreen labels on the motherboard and press the connector fully onto the pins. Once done, reattach the case, plug in power, and boot. You should see the check LED or indicator behave normally. If not, verify continuity with a multimeter and compare against a known good cable. If problems persist, replace the entire front panel cable assembly. This rules out damaged traces on the cable or motherboard.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.